Scotland. Here's Harris on there to Russell. The space now is a potential 2-on-1, and it's going to be in the corner, and they've got there. Darcy Graham.
To Stockdale when he gets into his running, it's such a threat. Hauled down, and what a brilliant piece of defensive play that was from Darcy Graham. Not only to make the tackle, but to get back up and leech onto the ball. They can spread it wide, and they do. It's Bennett. He's got Darcy Graham alongside him. It's a sprint for the corner, and Darcy Graham to win the game for Edinburgh. I told you it was going to be dramatic.
And he sees three forwards ahead of him. He scans, he thinks about kicking, he says, no, I'm going to take this on. He gets inside, got on safe, and then he just keeps the pace on. He goes past Geisen, and does exactly the right thing as Davidoff's the last defender. He uses his support, and George Horn gets his second here.
So, here comes Kingston, back inside and weaving around. Great little break here from Darcy Graham. Darcy Graham going for the corner. Graham going to make it and score a brilliant try to put Scotland back into the lead.
Of Kinghorn, and he loves this sort of counter-attack opportunity. Gets it into the hands of Darcy Graham. One side step.
Handed on to Toulouse. Hickey feeds. Oh, it's a lovely slip past Darcy Graham. That's the response that Richard Cockerell's side would have demanded. Van der Vault. Johnston gets the offload. This is Darcy Graham. Can he skip over? Super tackle.
His first for his country. Now Hastings. He's got Darcy Graham out wide. And he gets it in. And it's quicker ball this for Edinburgh. Hickey, Dean steps out of the first tackle and on to Darcy Graham. Up with his club mate to breathe. That's Ndadzi. There goes Darcy Graham back onto his feet. Such a difficult man to get down.
Here's Maitland. He presents it for the scrum half. Out wide of Darcy Graham, and Graham has got there.
Again, and Hastings, Taylor, and Harris. Oh, and Darcy Graham!
Benwick, Simmers, and he has got it, Graham.
Burgos,
Wide they go, and in they go via Graham.
To put pressure on the Irish. Craig with the hands, he skate out wide. The dancing feet on that far side for Darcy Graham.
Waiting for advantage. He skates Scotland. Have numbers. Kinghorn, the simplest of passes, the simplest of try for Darcy Graham.
Now to Bennett and Mata, he's found a gap too.
celebrations as well. Throws the ball on the inside, another try for Scotland.
Groom to Dean, the pass out to Van der Vaart. He's got Graham alongside him, and Edinburgh have scored again. Darcy Graham